Hi everyone, here we are in the second part of the videos showing how we actually install the fire stopping resources inside LibreOffice. So in the first video we went through the process of how you buy and assign the licenses. Now we're actually at the process of installing that. So I've launched LibreOffice and all I'm going to do is I'm in the file menu already. I'm going to go to the Solution Center. And when this loads, this shows the available extensions we have. So I'm using a different account to the previous video because I've got additional options that I can install, but the one I'm after is BIM Coordination Plus. So all I do is hit the install button. That goes and completes, and that literally is it. Now if we want to go check this has worked properly, we need to take a look at the Rule Set Manager, but for the Rule Set Manager to work properly, we need to have a file open. So I'm going to use this SMC example model that we make available as part of the fire stopping resources. That's available through the Help Centre, through the introduction page, and it's available at the very bottom for download with a couple of other bits and pieces. We'll stick some screenshots on screen so you can see where they are. If I open this, we can see it's a fairly simple model. In checking, there's some example rule sets available as well, but what I'm going to do is go to File, down to the Rule Set Manager, and if you're familiar with the Rule Set Manager, you'll know that normally within the libraries there are just Solibri accessibility rules and the Solibri common rules, but this extension creates its own library, and within there are the fire stopping rules themselves as well as the stir opening clash rule. So you can see here it's installed and is ready to start playing with.